Hi everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Channel. I'm your host, Rosa.
And I'm John. Thanks for tuning in today. We're so excited to have you with us again.
Yes, today's topic is something really close to our hearts. Family. Family is something everyone has, and it's one of the easiest and most personal topics to talk about in English.
Exactly. Whether you're introducing your parents, describing your siblings, or sharing a funny story about your cousins, knowing how to talk about family naturally in English helps you connect with people anywhere in the world.
In this episode, we'll go step by step, starting from basic vocabulary, then moving to describing relationships, sharing traditions, and even learning some idioms.
We'll also give you practice questions, grammar tips, and pronunciation help, so you can use this vocabulary in real life.
So get comfortable, grab a cup of tea, and let's start talking about family.
All right, let's begin with the basics. When you talk about your family in English, you can divide it into two groups, your immediate family and your extended family.
Your immediate family means your closest relatives, your parents, brothers, sisters, and children.
And your extended family includes everyone else, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, nieces, nephews, and so on.
Let's go through some important words slowly.
Sure, repeat after us. Father or dad, mother or mom, parents, son, daughter, siblings, meaning brothers and sisters, grandfather or grandpa, grandmother or grandma, grandparents, uncle, aunt, niece, your brother or sister's daughter, nephew, your brother or sister's son, cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt.
And here are some example sentences you can practice. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My mother is a nurse. My grandparents live in the countryside. I'm very close to my cousins.
You can also say, I come from a big family, or I'm an only child if you don't have siblings.
That's right. Only child means someone with no brothers or sisters.
Let's move on to describing your family. When someone asks, can you tell me about your family? Here's how you can answer.
I come from a family of 5. My parents, my older brother, my younger sister, and me. My dad works as an engineer, and my mom runs a small business. My brother is studying at university, and my sister is still in high school.
That's a clear and natural answer. You can add adjectives to describe personalities too, like my dad is hardworking and funny, my mom is kind and very patient, my brother is outgoing but a bit messy, my sister is quiet and shy.
Good. You can also describe your family's general mood. We're a close family. We get along well. We spend a lot of time together.
Here's mine. My family is small, but very close. My parents are both teachers. My dad teaches math, and my mom teaches English. We love watching movies together on weekends.
That sounds warm and cozy. For me, I'd say I come from a big family. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister, and a large extended family with many cousins. We like having big family dinners. Now let's talk about family relationships. This means how you feel about your family members, whether you're close, distant, or maybe have some funny dynamics.
For example, I'm really close to my mom. We talk about almost everything. She gives great advice.
That's nice. I'm closest to my younger sister. We're like best friends, we share clothes, we talk late at night, and we understand each other without words.
That's a strong bond. But of course, every family has disagreements sometimes.
Oh, yes. My brother and I sometimes argue about who gets to use the car, but we always make up later.
Exactly. That's normal. A good expression is, we get along most of the time, but sometimes we argue. I'm really close to my family. We always support each other. We sometimes argue, but we make up quickly. My parents are very supportive. I admire my dad because he works hard. My mom inspires me every day.
Now let's talk about family traditions. Every family has something special they do together.
Right. For example, my family has a Sunday lunch tradition. Every Sunday, we cook together. My dad makes pasta, my mom bakes a dessert, and I'm the dishwasher.
That's great teamwork. In my family, we have a yearly trip. Every December, we travel somewhere new together. It's our way of reconnecting and making new memories.
That's beautiful. Traditions help families stay close. They can be simple things like having dinner together, watching a favorite TV show, or celebrating birthdays.
Exactly. You can use these expressions. We always have dinner together. We celebrate holidays as a family. We go on family trips every year. We spend weekends at our grandparents' house.
Listeners, think about your own family. What traditions do you have? Pause the podcast and try saying it out loud in English.
Let's do a quick vocabulary review and pronunciation practice.
Repeat after us. Parents, siblings, cousins, grandparents, uncle or aunt, nephew or niece, husband or wife, son-in-law or daughter-in-law, mother-in-law or father-in-law.
Good job. Now let's use some in sentences. My aunt lives in another city. My cousins are the same age as me. My grandfather tells great stories. My father-in-law loves gardening.
Pronunciation tip. Niece sounds like peace, and nephew starts with an F sound, like in nephew.
Yes, many learners say niece or nephi, but the correct sounds are niece and nephew. Now comes my favorite part, family stories. Every family has funny or meaningful memories.
Oh, yes. Okay, here's one from my childhood. When I was about 7, my dad taught me how to ride a bicycle. He said, "Don't worry, I'm holding the seat." But when I look back, he wasn't. I fell, but then I learned fast.
That's classic. I have a similar one. My mom once tried to bake a cake for my birthday, but she forgot to add sugar. Everyone smiled politely while eating it, but later we couldn't stop laughing.
Family moments like that are priceless. They remind us that even when things go wrong, it's still love and laughter that matter.
Exactly. Try to share a story like that when practicing English. You can use expressions such as, when I was a child, I remember one time. We laughed so much because. It's one of my favorite memories.
Great storytelling practice.
Family traditions are different all around the world. In many Asian countries, people often live with their parents even after marriage.
Yes, but in many Western countries, young adults move out and live independently around the age of 18 or 20.
Another difference is how families spend time together. In some cultures, family gatherings are large with lots of food. In others, they're small and private.
You can describe this by saying, in my culture, family is very important. We usually spend holidays together. It's common for several generations to live in the same house.
That's great. For cross-cultural conversations, especially if you're studying abroad or making international friends.
Let's finish by talking about emotions, how we feel about our families.
I feel grateful for my family because they always support me, even when I make mistakes.
I feel proud of my parents. They've worked hard to give me a good life.
You can use these expressions. I'm thankful for my family. My family means everything to me. Family comes first. We always stick together. Even when we argue, we still care for each other.
Beautiful. You can also say, my family is my biggest motivation.
All right, that's all for today. We've talked about family members, relationships, traditions, stories, emotions, and even idioms.
Yes, and now it's your turn. Practice by answering these questions out loud. How many people are in your family? Who are you closest to? What family traditions do you have? What's a funny or special family memory? How do you feel about your family?
Pause the podcast, think, and speak. Even a short answer helps you build confidence. Thank you all so much for listening to Everyday English Channel. Please share this episode with your friends, classmates, or family who are learning English too.
And remember, family isn't just about blood. It's about love, trust, and support.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep your family close to your heart.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care and see you in the next episode.